explore khalega na pras no hala gana yes yellow color is our scooty come on let's ride shopping to khali chu tha but dukan malik nai any market name famous this is our last dinner in Chiang Mai, Thailand. The last breakfast in our hotel. That was bye bye Chiang Mai. Flying Chiang Mai to Bangkok airport. 4,280 baht. 80,000 chok. Chok the Bangman is 9 lakhs. Every section 9 lakhs is out of town. We are leaving Bangkok airport. We are meant to be together. It's time to go in our own country. And in Guwahati. Every is Guwahati. Sao bây giờ sao mà tổng phiếu này có sao phải lấy là
do this.
Chana fry hoga, chaje baje hoga.
Yes, happy started spicy.
Plan khaidi, booking khaina bagai, visit khaidi.
Reach Agartala railway station. हम कहाँ हैं? The parking lot. सनी होटल क्लाउड पर सनी 2-wheeler parking, 4-wheeler parking क्या? और जगह तक खाना क्या? Ron này lấy ra. Nào ơi, mới biết em này lấy ra nữa. ये explore खेले रन पर सिटी रो ये तो हॉर्स में बस मुझे नूली है सिलिया लेकिन आई लग रहा था वो तो गाड़ी कपड़े जमा नहीं आए मिसिंग कुछ नहीं आमा गाड़ी पार्किंग जैसे नहीं 2-wheeler parking बोलो हाँ लगा ना Scooty go, it's gonna be right. See scooty? Go. Yes, yellow color is our scooty. Come on, let's ride. Shopping to khali chu tha. Bazaar. Mama bazaar ro rik like mama ka. Okay. Yang sabaran drive through ro tong tam tam ro tong. Mira thang ai.
Mirror, yeah. An beng nai tong.
Tabo ke as dukan malik nai. Install. Mana ke bayi Thai tradition tamu stylish food traditional style tamu mana ni sini Chiang Mai ni market ni famous cheap clothing ta recycle clothing ho jo second hand pa thina ka mala he quality kam sui na ke spike na pura nai dekha pura so na chandra ang ka pun look na ke pura probably this is our last dinner in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Do some drink, do culture, do miss Canada. So I'm gonna miss you, Chiang Mai. Until then, see you next time. Good morning, everyone. Today is the last breakfast in the hotel. So my travel here sharp 9 a.m. Airport is fine. So I'm going to group. This is the last breakfast. So I'm going to say bye bye. Breakfast finally is now time to say goodbye to this hotel breakfast floor. So I miss it. Hello. Let's go. So finally we're leaving this beautiful mess room. Bye bye Chiang Mai and Juan Hotel. See you guys. Yeah. So So finally, bye bye to leave at Juan Hotel. See ya. Till next time.
Immigration ID गर्नु पर्दैन हामीले अभी इमिग्रेसन नहीं पड़ेगा बैंकॉक में जाके करना पड़ेगा
हाँ Chiang Mai से
बैंकॉक तो डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट है
हाँ थाईलैंड से थाईलैंड
Let's see now what I can do. Let's go inside. Oh, hill station is also good. That hill station. What is wrong? Okay, Chiang Mai. This is Chiang Mai airport. Ghana. This is nearby airport. This is the Queen. The Queen inside the airport. I mean. Chiang Mai airport. Don't brought traditional ways now.
I've done it many times.
देखो
देखो यहाँ
Bangkok airport and
domestic
airport.
एयरपोर्ट का नाम ही दे
Aku senang aja, lain apa? Ini lagi soal lain itu, musuh final sama yang warna itu musuh orang loh. Jadi kita, but kalian segera kata, kita bawa awal dengan makannya, itu warna susah. Hope for the best, man. Let's see. Kita kan mau boarding pass now nih. Aku security check pass kali airport di sana lah, kita bawa asal lagi kan. Kita orang ini kita Bangkok sama kita. 11:20 हुआ 11:20 हुआ डिपार्चर में बने पर बैंकॉक और 6 आवर्स में था मैं और बस इंटरनेशनल चैनल ताकि डोमेस्टिक हमारे से दावा है Chiang Mai नहीं flying
Yeah.
Bangkok to Guwahati Guwahati
Shanghai to Bangkok.
Yeah.
Not Bangkok, I think. Or Bangkok. It's Bangkok, ना?
Bangkok डाउन खाना चाहिए
मैं तो हमारा फ्लाइट कहाँ जा रहा है अभी भी पता नहीं.
Bangkok से नहीं रास्ता में 6 आवर्स है ये वक्त में और वैसे नासोल लाओ so double land के देखा Chiang Mai to Bangkok airport Kasi the next flight to Horossi, tao mana sila na 6 hours. Naganda makali ma. Katakan cash over there, to paija. Cash to paija. So more. Let's see what I can do. Now look at Bangkok airport. Dom Yang, come on. What's the airport go on? Dom Yang airport, Dom Yang International Airport. Kalau jalan kan kita 6 hours atau mai. Orang boleh juga. Check-in mah kali ya. Orang kalau aja kita. Where ini patron ada di pakai ni. Aku street food, aku sana patron aku dah. Aku pakai mah kau saya kena apa ini. Lama order kan kalau mana Salman itu no hoya boleh. Legon 1 kilometer hingga lepas itu no hoya lama masih sudah था. तो तुम्हारा खलेगा फिर वहाँ पर लेते हैं किसी और वहाँ खलेते हैं क्या बनाना क्या स्वाग मारो मस्त नदी 24,280 baht 80,000 song đây là normal nữa ở đây con nhỏ normal trả 20,000 baht French wine French wine Italian one, Australian one. Duty free in Swag Duan Airport, Bangkok Airport, Jong Myong Airport, Bangkok. Rang तो करी क्या नाइफ में मारना चाहिए क्या? Management also price. Swag tomorrow 94,600 baht. Jack Daniel. Swag very bangman is high lakhs. 9 lakhs in swag rock. No fun at all. Only 9 lakhs. Every section is 9 lakhs in swag rock. We go on with duty free chalk. I'm not going to put taxes. Courage. Rang करी है पाइप पे लगा बाई में लिया तो साथ जा सकता हूँ time to go we are leaving Bangkok airport या फिर जाकर Guwahati land back to our country India so मतलब update होता है क्या होता है update होता है we'll see you from India finally some flight is how like that Air Asia flight
Dear guests,
Guwahati
for safety reasons, the use and charging of power banks on board are strictly prohibited. Power banks must not be stored in the overhead compartment. They shall always be kept with you, or stored in your bag, placed under the seat in front of you, or
So some request खाइए और जगह सीट खाली जाऊँगी so some यार host ने request खाइए ना खाता और रास्ते में ना खाए finally we are back together we are meant to be together so finally Dom Yong International Airport Bangkok it's time to go in our own country and rock it. Come back harder. Bye bye, Thailand, Bangkok. See you next time. Keep smiling. While I deny that, with lots of smile. Till then, see you. Good night. Landed in Guwahati safely. Thank God for your safe journey. Nhà đây là kia hàm bài cài cho nó xong cả rừng cái tôi lên khai phàm bagi mà lại phía này nó khai là cái trên bài cái sổ này bên phía bờ tàu này bờ tàu này update này. Finally, we reached Guwahati airport. Let's go. Bởi nó sau bên là hắn sau đó mà tàu phiêu này không khả năng phải chỉ trên train kia ba. Hotel कहाँ में से फाइल में 5 star से डायरेक्ट और सब फाइल ले
Do this. Check it out. Oh. बटप का है बटप.
चना फ्राई होगा, चाचे बाजे होगा, चना जलदर खाइए, चना फल चना खाइए.
Also international airport Chiang Mai, Bangkok. Delhi as a happy friend tackles by the issue. Cockre, live is all for lesson. You should not the master line. Can't can also will. Dr. Masuba snake in a high day. Back size of me. So, just spray. So, break I don't the tank and substance. Journey in Coloma. Having to go on in some pending.
Borong knife in Thailand, so it's what's possible.
Masalah jam. Thalai kamu, tiket series travel kaya, tiket kaya korang book kaya tu tiket. Just in a whole something on us. This has believe in faith some country.
Apa dia saya dengar tu?
What is subject says that as a luggage ground must tiket dah. Dia pai mana pali masang selai tu. Ya, kau kemana ni? Update you, keep update you. See you guys.
Okay, we are on our way to Agartala. Christmas ta New Year ni vacation na rok on at tok sa go plan khai di booking khai na bagai visit khai di www.tripura.tourism.
Finally, jauh sini Agartala station sampai ni ha. Jauh ni jauh kita nak cross khai ni sih. So after a long journey, kita sudah thangai Mai Chanai.
Siapa dia dulu?
13 days sudah sudah fight jam. Mui baru Mai Chanai. Mui baru khatang lah kata. Ini berkhatang orang berkhatang tu. Hai na, mana hai orang Maya. Ayah tu orang ini enjoy kan, orang ini enjoy kan. So mon not thangai khai me ni dress ko itu tu mat thonai khana seri lo suan jatuh arrangement makai sini. So ini zaman zaman last station kali Agartala, which is destination final destination. So balik Hawaii no jadi. Kawang kisah tu nong naik jaman Hawaii blog no. So malai pindah sini. See you soon. Finally guys, we reach Agartala railway station. Sini station sampai lah. Final destination sampai lah so. Agartala. Final destination tu sampai kat Agartala kan Agartala railway station. The hour ni kisah. Mesti kau auto naik kan naik dah. So yes.